The brutal summer heat may seem like it's in the rearview mirror, but its impact continues to be felt.
Yeah, the heat killing more Arizonans than ever before, even surpassing the number of COVID deaths.
All new at 6, Eleni Dow breaking down the numbers and speaking to a health expert about why this may be happening.
This is hell. We want heaven.
Many want to forget that brutal heat in Arizona this summer. In Maricopa County alone, we've had a total of 579 confirmed heat-associated deaths this year. That's according to the latest report from the county's Department of Public Health. That total well beyond last year's mark of 425.
Quite honestly, I'm not surprised to see heat-related deaths move up from where they were in 2022.
Will Humble, the executive director for the Arizona Public Health Association, says numbers their organization crunched from the CDC show the number of heat-related deaths in Arizona surpassed the number of COVID deaths from January to September.
If you look at the data from 2022, COVID-19 was the fourth leading cause of deaths in Arizona. This year, we've seen in 2023, we've seen it drop way down to number 13.
He attributes that to the virus mutating and being less lethal, and more people having immunity, whether it's from getting COVID or the vaccine. Keep in mind, these numbers are from January to September. While COVID deaths could continue through the end of the year, heat-related deaths start tapering off toward the end of October, but there are always more summers.
Part of the answers here are policy changes at the city mostly, and part of it is more investment at the state level in affordable housing. And those are the longer term solutions to heat-related deaths.
People experiencing homelessness made up the largest proportion of heat-related deaths in 2022. While Humble feels affordable housing will help decrease heat-related deaths, others may think there are different solutions, such as substance abuse help. The city of Phoenix says in a statement it will review the city's 2024 heat response plan in February, with leadership from all relevant departments to contribute to the plan review. Also, as part of the heat state of emergency declared by Governor Hobbs this past summer, her office will submit a comprehensive plan to approach extreme heat in future years with partnerships at the regional and state level. In Phoenix, Eleni Dow, ABC 15 Arizona.